Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign up Citibank Online Banking on PC. Citibank is multinational financial service association providing wide range of financial product. To sign up Citibank Online Banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.citi.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Citibank. Now here you can see login box on the right side of the website. Now here you can see register option. Click on register option. With this, you'll be taken to the sign up page. Now here you can see various of methods through which you can set up your online access. You can either put credit debit card number or other types of bank related numbers. I am going on with credit debit card number. So enter your card number. After that, click on the option of continue on down. After this, you need to enter expiry date of your card. Then you need to enter your date of birth in correct format. With this, now you need to click on continue option. Then a box will appear requesting a one-time password. Your one-time password will immediately be sent to your mobile phone through text message. So check your mobile phone. Then type the code into the box and then click on the continue option. After that, you need to decide on your user ID. Then you need to enter and confirm your chosen password on the given box. After this, you need to click on continue option again. With this, you need to read the terms and conditions and then click on option of I agree. With this, you will be registered for Citi Online Banking. Then you can go to your login page and log into your account, and then you'll be able to sign up to Citibank Online Banking. This is how we can sign up Citibank Online Banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.